Everyone's been so caught up in DeFi lately that people have forgotten there are still a lot of high-quality altcoin projects out there. One of those projects is ALGO. The beginnings of this project go back further than crypto itself. But I think the future is where we need to be focused. Can the Algorand blockchain 3.0 make you a millionaire by investing a small amount of money? Some people are certainly hoping so. I'm going to tell you today whether ALGO is all pump or all dump. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto, the hardest working channel in crypto. Now, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto and connect with me. All right, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Algorand. Now, honestly, this is one of my favorite projects in crypto and has been for a long time. Price, unfortunately, hasn't moved the way I would like it to, but I do love this project. We're going to dive into the tech, the governance, and price predictions for this coin to determine whether or not it's got what it takes to make you some money. But first, here's an interesting story for you that probably don't care about on how Algorand actually pretty much changed the entire direction of my channel. I did a sponsored review for Algo at the end of July last year. I sent them a copy of the video after it was done, and they basically told me my video sucked and they hated every second of it.
Hated it. Hated every simpering, stupid, vacant, audience-insulting moment of it.
I was pretty upset because no one had ever told me that before, so I vowed at that moment to get better, and looking back at my channel, I can't believe more people didn't say it. But this was the first video I ever wrote a script for. Use a teleprompter. Now, I didn't start exclusively working off scripts after that moment, but eventually, I did move to scripts completely, and that's changed the quality of my channel forever. And we've 6x subscribers on the channel this year alone. Definitely more than 6x my time on the channel. But here's the thing. Basically, I had to do a deeper dive into this project than I had ever done in another project before. I really challenged myself to do the best review possible and read everything I could on this project. And in doing so, I really came to love what Algo was doing. And also, they really liked the final version, by the way, if you were wondering. So let's dig into exactly what Algo is and what separates it from other projects so you can find out why I respect it so much. Algorand is a Boston-based open-source software company working toward building a borderless economy, spurred on from MIT. They developed a permissionless pure proof-of-stake, or PPOS, protocol with open participation, scalability, security, and transaction finality. Algorand aims to solve the three main problems faced by blockchain today, also known as the blockchain trilemma: security, scalability, and decentralization. Algorand uses a consensus Byzantine agreement protocol algorithm called, as mentioned, pure POS. The network ties its security to the honesty of the majority. Essentially, in comparison to delegated proof of stake, liquid proof of stake, or bonded proof of stake, there's no sanction mechanism, also known as slashing, in case an actor misbehaves.
Oh, behave. Yeah.
Misbehavior may include things such as low uptime or security faults, like trying to validate the same block twice. Rather than punishing bad actors, Algorand prefers to make cheating by a minority of the money impossible and cheating by the majority stupid. As long as 2/3 of the majority is honest, protocol works. In Algorand, blocks are constructed into two phases through lotteries known as cryptographic sortition, enabling fast finality. Long gone would be the days where one would have to wait for 30 confirmations and eventually several hours to ensure that a transaction really happened. Here are the two phases. The first phase is the proposal phase. A single token is randomly selected and its owner proposes the next blocks. However, this proposer is only known to the whole network during the propagation phase. It's already too late to interfere at that point. In pure POS, every token has the same power in being selected. The other phase is the voting phase. Committee of owners and 1,000 random tokens is selected, approving the block proposed by the first user. As opposed to the fixed committee system in many proof-of-work or proof-of-stake blockchains, the random selection of the committee members makes the protocol extremely secure against adversary attacks. They simply don't know who to target. The Algorand platform supports two types of nodes, relay and participation. An important point to note here is that the relay nodes don't participate in voting or decision-making. Instead, they facilitate communication between participation nodes. Relay nodes are also hardware intensive compared to participant nodes. According to the Community Algorand website, these are the reasons why someone would use Algorand's blockchain. Low computation requirements. No need for high energy consuming mining farms. Fast agreement. The entire community agrees on the next block and confirms transactions with latency on the order of a minute while scaling to many users. Delegation. Token holders can delegate their tokens if they wish to participate in the consensus. Extremely low fork probability. Users can rely on a new block as soon as it appears. Even if the network is temporarily partitioned, Algorand ensures that no users have divergent views of confirmed transactions. True decentralization. The network is not controlled by a few miners or validators, since proposers and committees are randomly selected. Governance. Community token holders can propose changes to the protocols and agree on its evolvability. The Vault. This is Algorand's new solution to the problem of blockchain storage. As the blockchains grow in size, the storage of all its blocks may become a genuine challenge. Instead of this, Algorand's Vault technology aims to promote better scalability by means of efficient onboarding of new users. These users will be required to download and update just a single piece of information, start participating in the creation and storage of blocks as soon as they join the network. In addition to the already implemented technologies, the Algorand developers promised to introduce several new features that would fine-tune the existing capabilities of this platform. These include Pixel. This digital signature scheme is the technology by which Algorand aims to reduce its bandwidth demands via a novel system. The system is based on the ability to aggregate multiple signatures of the single message, turn it into a compact signature of the same length. At the same time, malicious users are prevented from forging signatures on earlier messages. Self-validating transactions. These are based on the separation between consensus and storage. The users will be able to check the validity of payments without the need to maintain balances for block verification and individual payments. Finally, Algorand plans to support atomic swaps down the line. Now you may be thinking to yourself, they got the tech, but do they got the team? Absolutely. The team consists of several professionals, including Turing Award winner Silvio Miccali as the founder of the project. Here's a snapshot of their executive team. Silvio Miccali, founder, MIT faculty member and recipient of several prestigious awards, among which the Turing Award in Computer Science is probably the most significant. Silvio's been working on cryptography since the 1960s. He created zero-knowledge proofs known today as ZK snarks. ZK snarks is actually what Zcash's privacy features are based on. So he's been making waves for a long time that have had a far-reaching impact on crypto. Steven Kokonos, CEO, serial entrepreneur, co-founder of Fuse, Blade Logic, and WebYes. W. Sean Ford, COO, former CMO of LogMeIn, I used to use that all the time, an experienced consultant and co-founder of UPromise. In addition to the above core members, you also have Kelly Callahan, who is the head of marketing at Algorand. She's got a vast amount of experience in marketing and customer relations, from her prior experience at Avid, where she was responsible for the collaborative marketing partnership with Microsoft, as well as the field marketing teams and global customer engagement strategies. You also have Sergey Gorbunov, who is the head of cryptography at Algorand. He's a prize-winning researcher and wrote his dissertation on the construction of advanced cryptographic protocols using lattice-based cryptography. He also has interest in blockchain protocols, computer networks, and securing large-scale systems. These are only a small sample of the people who are currently working on Algorand. You can see a more thorough breakdown on their team page. So what about partnerships? It's important to express that Algorand is used in scientific research and has influential business partners. Algorand collaborates with trusted business leaders working in world-famous companies. A few of those companies are Public, Relio, SFB Technologies, Tether, Planet Watch, Shift Network, Monerium, IBMR.io, SIAE, PureStake, Blockchain Education Network, World Chess, International Swaps and Derivatives Association, or the ISDA, Carton Runtime Verification, Flipside Crypto, SyncSort, Asset Block, and there's many more than that. Okay, so I know you guys love price predictions, so let's jump into those. According to Wallet Investor's forecast system, Algo's a bad long-term investment. The price of Algorand may drop all the way down to 7 cents, which would be about a 66% drop. They believe that according to present data, Algorand and potentially its market environment has been in a bearish cycle the last 12 months. To me, it looks like by the chart, the price has been in accumulation, other than when it started going up right before the March crash. Digital coin price is more bullish, stating that Algorand might increase according to the predicted data. Algorand is a profitable investment according to them. They believe the price of one algo can roughly be up to 50 cents in 1 year's time, so 100% gain. Algo will be around 75 cents in their opinion by 2023. That's a 300% return, not too bad. However, Crypto Rating is also bearish on Algo, stating, our algorithm predicts that based on historical data, the Algorand price will be at 18 cents in 1 week and 21 cents in a month. Our deep learning algorithm predicts that Algo price will be at 22 cents in 6 months. Not too great. Analysis of the cryptocurrency market shows that Algorand's price may reach 30 cents by the 1st of January next year, driven by the potential interest from from large institutional investors and more regulation expected in the field of digital currencies. The system predicts that ALGO will stay around 26 cents next year, 30 cents the following year, 35 cents the following year, 46 cents the following year, 70 cents in 2025. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Algorand opened trading at $3 and quickly started to plummet to around 60 cents. After a brief recovery, ALGO continued to nosedive throughout the late summer of 2019 as it established a trading low around 13 cents. Algorand is currently trading at 21 cents at the time of this recording. So what do I think? Listen, anyone can participate in the Algorand platform as a block proposer by merely switching their address from offline to online in the Algo Explorer. You then stake your Algo tokens, have the nodes online, and you're a part of the network. Boom, just like that. As such, Algorand theoretically should go up in price due to supply and demand and scarcity, which will result in less tokens for sale in the open market. That's why I think Algorand can easily reach $5 during the next bull run. I think when we look at a lot of these price predictions, they seem really low. I think the reason is because they can only see the charts in front of their face. And almost all of the coins we've looked at were not around for the last parabolic cycle. I expect Algorand to be as good of a pick as any for the next bull run. But now it's your turn. What do you think about the potential of Algo? What is your price prediction? Let me know by dropping a comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.